we'll have the discussion for 5 to 10 minutes. That's all. Clear?
So,
So we don't
so
have to go around the bush. Take the points which you have brought there with you. We'll go along with the points and the discussions here. Even if you need that, you need to discuss on the incident itself. That, for example, you feel the topics which you have prepared are not fulfilling the need. You can switch to your instant topics or instant discussion that you can do. So let's start it.
so
Can I start, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Ankit Kumar, and I am going to speaking to you about on behalf of artificial intelligence will take over our human brain.
yeah,
Human intelligence, human intelligence is the creation of God gifted to humans. Human's intelligence is a quality that helps human in learning, understanding, and experience.
Aniket, 1 minute, 1 minute. Not woman,
Yes,
human.
human bro.
human
No, no,
intelligence.
human. Pronounce it as human.
Human
Yeah, yeah.
human intelligence is a quality that helps humans in learning, understanding, and experience and solving problem with brilliant idea. We can say that the human brain is analogous, but machines are digital. The simple difference is that human beings use their brains ability to think, memory, while all machines depend on the data given to them. As we know that modern computers normally use 2 watts of energy only, whereas human brains used about 25 watts. As human beings can adapt to change easily, but machines cannot. As Stephen Hawking said, the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. It would take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever increasing rate. Humans who are limited by slow biological evolution could not compete and would be superseded. Therefore, the given intuition has been that artificial intelligence will enhance human codes but not replace them shortly. Now anyone want to
Yeah,
say on my favor or behalf of me, then you can.
I am behalf of you, bro. Aniket, sorry. My name is Saikul Alam and I am from Civil Branch. So I'll say that as Stephen Hawkins, Sir Stephen Hawkins told that that artificial intelligence can take over the humans after some years. But it is the fact that we only the human beings that develop the artificial intelligence. So we can look after the artificial intelligence whether they will take over us or not.
What is it again, sir?
Yeah, if we only the creator of the artificial intelligence. So at that time when the artificial intelligence are able to develop, then we can look after that artificial intelligence. Then how they can develop without our knowledge or without our kind permission. And Aniket, one more thing, it cannot learn to think outside the box. Whatever we providing the data, on behalf of this data they are working. They can't think on behalf of that data. Whatever we are providing, they are doing. They are working on that. Artificial intelligence not as smart as we are. We can feel, we can think, we have the emotions, but whether artificial intelligence don't have any emotions. They are just simply doing, they are just working as a machine, as a robot. They can't feel, they can't talk, they can't speak like us. Yeah, even
Without
yeah, they can speak like us, I agree. But they can't speak without their self, without their own.
in
Whatever
my opinion,
the creator provided to them the data, only on behalf of, only using this data they are talking, they are speaking.
1 second, please. 1 second. Either of you, please do switch off your mic.
Yeah, please, after talking switch off your mic. It
When one is
on.
speaking, others have to switch off their mic. That is the rule.
we don't have to We don't have dependent on artificial intelligence because of overload of work or by any technical issue happen, then all tasks going to be stopped. If we dependent on our mind, then we can't face the problem.
I am behalf of Aniket. Many of our health problems now we have to possible solution by using artificial intelligence.
That time, if artificial intelligence go on hang or any problem, technical issue, then what
Yeah,
happens?
bro. For this reason only, we the smart people are there to look after that, to handle that type of machine. And recently, doctors can predict the breast cancer in human beings at earlier stage using advanced artificial intelligence systems. Only this it is possible to save the lives of women who are having breast cancer. And moreover, in the medical fields, we are having artificial intelligence like X-ray machines and MI rooms and all, for which the treatment is possible, and we can easily transplant any of the parts of our human beings. So it's make it easier, and it's decrease the rate of death rate of the human beings.
So who is actually
Agreeable
against?
cycle, but I
Wait,
have
wait,
a
Nikhil,
query
Nikhil,
in
wait a
this.
minute, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm getting confused. Who is actually against the artificial intelligence, or actually who is for the human brain? So when you're talking about, we are getting confused. So Aniket
Sir,
started that he is against artificial intelligence. He is supporting the human brain because he says that artificial intelligence cannot replace human brain. That's what he is putting forth his ideas. And when you guys say behalf of Aniket, behalf of, we don't need somebody to be behalf of. Or you can say that you're supporting Aniket or Aniket's viewpoint, or you're against the viewpoint of Aniket. That you can say. You don't say behalf of Aniket. That doesn't
Sir,
suit this.
actually, I am not against the topic. I am talking against the point of the Aniket that Aniket is mentioning. So I am not directly against the topic. I am just the against the point that Aniket is trying to say.
Okay, okay. Nikhil, carry on.
So yeah, agreeable cycle. I do agree with you. But what if even Stephen Hawking had also predicted one more thing? That was that artificial intelligence can also go wrong or take a wrong turn. What would happen then?
Yeah, let that time come. At that time, we can develop our brain as much as that we can take the full control over the artificial intelligence as we are taking as we are taking like today.
As you may know, now it's kind of in very less quantity, and in the future it's going to be increased. And what would happen if they take over us or
Yeah,
our
bro.
population?
At that time, we are at the stage that we can increase the IQ level of our brain so that we can think more than that. Now we can go now we can go up to the Mars. Then after certain years, we can develop our IQ level so that we can go beyond the universe like this. I believe. So as the IQ level of artificial intelligence increases, it's because of us. And on that time, our the IQ level of the brain also increases.
And would it be cost efficient, or it would take a lot of expense to make a artificial intelligence? So guess on making or increasing the population of artificial intelligence, how much does it take on cost, or what effect can it give on costs? And
So actually, Nikhil, I believe that it is better to increasing the populations of human beings. We can more focus on the robots and all, because if we are increasing the population, that we are having less natural resources. So instead of increasing the populations, increasing the number of population, we can mainly focus on the artificial intelligence robots and all, because we are having limited natural resources. And that is why Elon Musk is thinking to go out of the planets, because one day natural resources will not be as same, it will be extinct. So, so with the help of artificial intelligence, it will be possible to go out of the planet.
Artificial intelligence will be implemented by high cost. Then what will you do?
So the main thing is, Aniket, if we don't have life, then what to do with the money? Money is not everything. We should think for the future.
All people can't afford artificial intelligence.
Yeah, that's why, bro. Google owner say Elon Musk or our Google CEO Sundar Pichai is not the poor. Only that peoples are only means doing their work to develop the artificial intelligence. We are not doing. We are just simply working as a user.
Going ahead, Priyanka, take charge.
So,
You also give your views.
actually, I want to take the negative side of the
No
coin.
problem. Take it up.
Yes, according to this artificial intelligence, nowadays human labor, manual labor is required much. But on behalf of this, can we use artificial intelligence? That doesn't make sense. Means many people will become unemployed. So instead of using artificial intelligence, we can use manual labor.
Yeah, but we want to live a better life. So we don't work as a labor. So we are replacing the labor. Not we are replacing the say for civil engineers or computer science engineers.
Without working, how can you lead a better life?
Yeah, we are mainly focusing on the
Yeah,
artificial
now as
intelligence,
you
as I
told,
said.
cycle.
Without working, how can you lead a better life? Everybody should start from zero. Nobody will start from 10 or 11.
Yeah, but without gaining the knowledge, without gaining the experience,
Sorry,
they
cycle. So I had to interrupt you.
yeah, bro, sir. Yeah, Nikhil sir.
So, so the thing is like now, just now Priyanka had told about labor. So think, what if laborers are working on artificial intelligence and they feel very kind of tough to maintain it? What would you do? Laborers already are, kind of like they are finding to live life very tough. And what if it takes literally harder time for them to maintain the artificial intelligence and all those?
Yeah, as you say, labors won't be a child, won't be a baby. So when it's say after 18 years, the man becomes a labor. Before 18 years, he or she was in a learning stage. So on that learning stage, we made the artificial intelligence so advanced so that on that stage they can learn how to maintain their robots or their works on that field. After giving birth to the baby, we are directly not pushing him or her to do the labor work or to maintain the robotics and all. We'll give them to the knowledge, give them knowledge, and give them the experience to how to handle these things in that case.
If everybody are handling, who will work? Everybody will become lazy.
Yeah, I agree. The peoples become lazy, but it will means nowadays peoples don't want to work hard. Maximum of the peoples, according to survey of 2018, more than 80% peoples don't want to work hard. They believe in the smart work, so they are focusing on the growth of the artificial intelligence, and so that their works become easy. And if artificial intelligence doing their work, it's having zero error. They are doing perfectly, but human beings can't do.
But if human beings do the work, they'll do with ethics and work ethics. Artificial intelligence doesn't work on ethics, human values.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
should
I
think out
agree.
of the box while working for some works, some things. Only human can do that. But you're telling that everything will do artificial intelligence. That doesn't mean.
That's what I told earlier, that artificial intelligence can't replace the human beings, as you were discussing. For only for these points, this ethics word, that artificial intelligence can't replace the human beings, as I earlier told, because human beings are having emotions, feelings, love, kindness to the others, and and it can work as a teammate, but the users and the artificial intelligence can't work as a teammates. That is the only fact that why artificial intelligence can't take over the human beings, I believe.
You can also improve in robotics also, bro. Emotion or all things.
Yeah, I agree, bro, but it didn't yet means upgraded or updated that animations do have emotions and all. And even Elon Musk and his companies, SpaceX, or that I forgot his company's name, Neurologist or something, companies that who is working on the neurons developments of the machines. So by 2025, they might be developed the machines which can have some emotions and all.
So I
But
have a
it can't.
question, Cycle. So the thing is, like, you would have heard a news that Tesla car had crashed when a person had put it on autopilot. So what are your views on those?
Yeah, it is crashed because might be due to some errors, but from this accidents, Teslas will experience such types of things, and they will made it more better so that it won't be experienced in the future
There were
or in
many
the upcoming
cases
time.
actually of the Tesla car being crashed. So what if it again repeats?
Yeah, but they don't do like this. No human beings wants to declare to do means
I know,
not a single.
of course, no human beings would like to, like, it might happen in a mistake. So artificial intelligence also can make a mistake. What if that small mistake becomes a big thing?
But I want to give you one data. Uh, During First World War and Second World War combining, whatever the people died in that war, more than that the peoples died in the accident till now. So human beings are also doing a mistake, but as compared to the mistakes or as compared to that, artificial intelligence doing less. It is very negligible. So only for one accident we can't say that it won't take the seats of a driver. Only human beings can take. And even with the help of artificial intelligence, that is robot, we can put them in the world instead of instead of taking the lives of a soldier of or a humans. As you said that the life of a human is very important. Because of this Tesla artificial intelligence, it goes. So we can save their lives in that field also.
Cycle, humans have the ability to learn decision making from experience scenarios, but artificial intelligence don't have them. What do you say on this?
Oh, Aniket, okay, okay. As you said that humans can make their own decision. Uh, if you focus on my points that I already mentioned that that artificial intelligence can't take their decision by themselves. Only the human beings, we are the person who we are giving the data and information on behalf of this information. They are giving us the result or the output.
We have to give data, then they give result. In
Yeah,
that
yeah,
way,
obviously. It means that the artificial intelligence, robots, and all, they are working under us, not we are working under them. That they
if we,
should provide us
if we
data.
do
They should.
direct, then less time will be taken.
Yeah, yeah. Repeat it.
If we do directly, don't give to artificial intelligence. If we give uh, data to them, then they will give a result. If you do directly by them by own self, then only less time taken.
Okay, okay, okay. Let us give an example in the daily basis. You are using the calculator, scientific calculator. Instead of using the calculator, you will be sitting in the examination, which will be of 3 hours. So without taking help of the calculator, can we complete your mathematical problems within 3 hours? Because of the calculator, it is easier to make us to provide the exact numericals or exact solutions within the current time. It is only
Yeah, it's
possible because of
possible.
the
If
scientific calculator.
yeah, it's possible. If our mind is going to be brilliant, then we will possible. Most of them are only not.
Okay, I agree that your mind is brilliant. Then what about Pooja, Priyanka, and me?
All have experience now to
Okay,
do.
okay, okay. My brain
He
is not
wants Pooja to
brilliant.
talk. That's why he gave a hint.
Yeah, sir, but she's not talking, sir. Only staring at me, sir.
Pooja, come on, you have to talk now.
So I was just waiting to gather the points. Okay, so my point is what people are thinking is humans think that, I mean, we all of us, we think thought process is the only form of intelligence. Is it so? Actually, no. Thought process is nothing but you gather some data, you arrange it in a particular format or a pattern that you are okay with or you're accustomed to, and you execute your conclusions or your theory or whatever you derive. This is something which a machine can do. This is one form of human intelligence. It is one form of intellect, whereas intelligence is something way more beyond that. Say, for example, even if it is to induce emotions into AI, the artificial intelligence, yes, they have found, studies have found that in humans there is something called as biochemicals which are responsible for inducing emotions. And yes, it follows certain pattern. There are biochemical algorithms which they are trying to design. Yes, you may be able to implement the same with the AI as well. But what about the natural instincts? That is something which you cannot power on, or you cannot harness that. It is not available to us. For example, say okay, say for example, there's a student in the class. Okay, there are students, and instead of teachers, you are implementing AI over there just to assure 100% result. Okay, of course the machine will do whatever you ask for. It is going to train you, and if it sees the student is not able to do, maybe you can program it in such a way where the first few days it's going to excuse the students, maybe 10, 20 days, and after that if the student is not doing good enough, it's going to power or pressurize the student, of course. But that machine or that AI cannot think if that student is capable of doing this or no. And when you try to implement or when you pressurize the student on this, what happens is, are you ensuring that the life of that student is also better? Is that student able to enjoy the studies as well? So when you're to assure 100% result, you're doing this. But can AI do the other way of it? So this is something which only humans can do. I mean, not just humans, living beings which are from nature. And let me tell you one more thing. NASA tried to develop an artificial brain. Okay, they tried to develop that, and till date, it's just 99%. Let me tell you, yes, of course, they may reach a point where you can get 99.9%, but still, that 0.1% is something that's going to keep natural and artificial things apart. And this can never be achieved. Come what may, do whatever you want. But this is what it is going to be. And coming to, I don't know why nobody spoke about, I mean, yeah, employment aspect was spoken, but maybe the aspect which I thought of was not. Yes, unemployment could be could be created, of course, with AI, but it's going to open other set of jobs. Say for example, when computers came into existence, even it was just initially come, people started telling that yes, computers are going to take a lot many jobs off. It is not about taking jobs off, it is about it's going to create certain number of other jobs on. It's going to put down some, yes, of course, but it's going to put up something else. So it is just this aspect even over here. It's just that are you upgrading yourself, not just your devices or gadgets or smartphones that you have to upgrade, are you upgrading your brain as well? And next thing is coming back to the biochemical algorithms. Yes, in humans biochemical algorithms are there, and these are the things which actually are kind of, what to say, driving forces for saying if somebody is good at studies or somebody is good at art, music, dance, etc., etc., etc. Okay, but when it comes to implementing it on a machine, it becomes stationary. Okay, you can not expect frequent changes over there. But whereas when it comes to humans, you can constantly change it if you are conscious and aware of it. This aspect, say for example, I don't know if you've heard of people who are versatile in professions. I mean, basically multitaskers. They do, on one end they can do music, on another end they can do complex mathematics, on some other end they are doing say poetry, on another end they are doing something else, maybe law, judgment, and so on. So these aspects can, they can, you can actually change it within you if you are conscious and if you are ready to put in the effort that it takes. But remember, when you are putting the efforts, you know yourself much better. Sometimes 20 days, 30 days may not be enough for you for a particular task. You might have to give 1 or 2 months for it, but it is okay. After that, you will gain it. But when you program it in a machine, there should be a fixed number, right? You cannot give blank. That number has to be fixed. Say 20 days, but some may not be able to take it up within 20 days. They might require a month. What will you do about them? So, this is one aspect that I think I had to discuss.
Would also like to add up one more thing, and that is that NASA's research had told those satellites which were left to the other planet by the NASA through artificial intelligence, most of them had trespassed or most of them had got deflected. And what if humans had done those? They would have got it on the approximated place, and it would have been a success.
Yeah, Nikhil, for this, that the sun rays, extra sun rays is coming, that is ultraviolet rays producing from sun. It is coming directly to the earth due to the reflection produced by the satellites. In that case, they put it the shield over the satellite so that it won't reflect it. And you are talking about the dust material that will be it is created by the satellite. In this case, the CEO of Elon Musk told that they are developing, even they already developed that type of satellite that after their work over, that is say for if the lifespan of a satellite is 25, after this it can be automatically destroyed, and it can directly come to the earth surface. It won't produce any type of that materials or particles in the space, so that it won't be dirty.
uh, for have one
And
more thing to ask, and one
yeah,
more thing to tell, and that is, as you may know, the you would have heard many satellites failing and all those. So
yeah,
if chance humans had gone for a research on other planet or on any other natural satellite, they could
yeah.
have got the photos all properly and being
Means for what satellite you are saying? If
I mean,
satellite,
I mean on researches. They have that approximation,
yeah.
whereas satellites do not have. They suddenly malfunction or they fail.
Yeah, for this malfunction, NASA of USA told that there should be the automatic destruction should be a program in the before launching the rockets or before launching any satellite, so that it won't affect the human beings, so that it won't take the lives of a human beings. If at the initial stage of the launching, if it can't control by the human beings, then it can be automatically destroyed uh, by the programs.